Residential Air Conditioner Step-by-Step Installation Guide. Take the indoor unit out of the box and place it on top of the floor protection mat. Turn the indoor unit over and detach the installation plate. Determine the positions of the installation plate where user wants to install the indoor unit. Once the position is determined, mark the screw hole positions. Insert the screws in the marked position. With the balance ruler, make sure to get accurate leveling and secure the installation plate. Insert the screws and fix them firmly into 5 different places where arrows are marked on the installation plate. Remove the cover panel. Changing the direction of the drain hose is possible when it is necessary. Unfasten and remove the screws on the drain hose. Remove the drain hose. After removing the cap on the left, connect the drain hose to the drain hose hole. Once the drain hose is connected, insert the screws and tightly fasten. Block the hole on the right. Remove the knockout piece considering the pipe position. Once removing the piece, make sure to smooth out the edges. Straighten and lay refrigerant pipe flat. Connect the refrigerant pipe to the indoor unit. Once it's connected, cover it up with insulation material and tape it up. Connect power cable and terminal block in accordance with each letter L and N. Also, connect the communication cable in order of F1 and F2. Close the terminal block cover and securely fasten with screws. Connect the drain hose and tape up pipe, drain hose, power cable, and communication cable together. Mount the indoor unit on the installation plate. Attach the bottom panel by aligning on the holes. Form a group of 2 when carrying the outdoor unit to the installation space. After removing the caps on the service valve, connect the pipes. Open the terminal cover of the outdoor unit on the right and connect power cable and communication cable. Similar to indoor unit, connect power cable and terminal block in accordance with each letter L and N. Also, connect the communication cable in order of F1 and F2. Remove the cap on the gas pipe and connect the vacuum pump and manifold gauge. Until the digital pressure gauge displays less than 0.5 torr, vacuum process should be continued. Using a hexagon wrench, open both gas and liquid pipes.
Check if there are any leaking parts on the connected part. Use the refrigerant leakage detector and check the leaking with drawing a circle on the connected part to the left and right. If there is a leakage from the connected part, discharge the refrigerant and check the leaking part.
In order to check the installation status of the air conditioner, press the power, mode, set buttons simultaneously for 3 seconds to start the Smart Install mode. When Smart Install mode is in process, indoor unit will turn on and its progress will be displayed in numbers 0 to 99. When it displays number 99, it's indicating that installation has been successful, and Smart Install mode will end.